What is up, YouTube? And welcome back to episode 16 of the Chaos Daily. Whoa, I did a lot of work today. Now, I must apologize for the thunderstorm going on in the background. May or may not be able to hear it. But yes, there's an epic storm, a storm of epic proportions going on outside. And thankfully, I never leave the home. So I never have to deal with it, except for when I'm recording, which kind of sucks. But oh well. So, quick mention before we start the episode, because we've got a lot to get through. Just really enjoyable time lapse. Yeah? Okay. But before we get to that, I just wanted to mention something one of my patron members in our patron exclusive Discord brought up, which is something that's kind of scary. Really scary. It's once again the good old TTN, otherwise known as Jotham. He's just literally like 5 minutes ago posted this, and I was about to start recording, and I'm like, that's going in the episode. So yeah, have a look at this. I know, right? I'll put a link in the description so you can go have a look at it yourself. 45 kilograms, 4 meters long replica of the Titanic, 3D printed. And I thought my Draco was epic. Well, it turns out I don't have the most epic 3D printed RC thing out there. I do have the most epic RC plane out there, but it's not printed yet, so I can't really talk. Anyways, let's get straight into that time lapse. There's like 15 minutes of awesomeness to get through. So, here we go. And there you have it. Like I said, I was going to get it done today, and I did. All the fuselage is all structured out, the wings are structured out, the canards are structured out. The only things left to do are to go in and do any component mountings for servos, batteries, all the hatches, how it comes apart, how it goes together. And most difficult of all is still the wingtips. I'm still debating in my mind how to do that. I'm even contemplating shrinking them down and just putting a rudder behind the EDF. But that doesn't make it a long easy anymore. That just makes it a delta canard, forward canard delta, I don't know. The long easies have a particular type of rudder system that uses a split rudder on the wingtips, so it creates drag on either end to turn the plane. So yeah, I'm still working out how I want to do that. I haven't worked out if I'm going to run a push rod through the wing or if I'm going to put a servo at the end of the wing. I don't know if I can quite fit a servo there, and I don't really want to get into the really thin, narrow glider servos. I do have some really small glider servos, but I want to try and keep the scope of this design as simple as possible, so somebody buying the files only has to buy one kind of servo, and they can buy them in a pack, and they all fit, and they all work, and just simple, no arsing around, everything just go, plug and fly almost. So yeah, that pretty much covers it. So yeah, shout out again to TTN for finding that just incredible piece of work. Wow. 45 kilograms of plastic. Are you kidding me? Holy crap, that's a lot of work. Anyways, I've been Chaos, and as always, expect the unexpected. And I'll see you guys next time. And a special thank you to all my patrons that help support the channel. If you would also like to support the channel, there's a link in the description.